いすごい
Let's go! さあ、行くぞ!
Grab a cup of matcha flavored ice cream Super Cup. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add in 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then in a measuring cup, add in 180 mils of milk. Alrighty, now give everybody a quick mixity mix together. And now that it's pretty much combined, let's place it onto the flame. On a low heat, we're going to bring this boy to a bubbly bubble. And just keep mixing until you've made essentially Play-Doh. And once you have this weird roly-poly worm, you can take him off the flame. And we're going to dust him in Kinako or soybean flour. Add in a few tablespoons of sugar. Give it a big mixity mix. Grab some cold water and then shove in your wiggly worm. And then just disgustingly cut off a whole bunch of biddies. Give them a quick tossity toss in that Kinako and sugar powder. And then once everybody's nicely coated, you can place them back into the cup and ta-da! And you've just made Warabi Mochi from ice cream. So in terms of tips and tricks, ladies and gentlemen, 1, you do need to use this very specific brand of ice cream. So if you don't have it, then maybe you can't make it. But if you come over to Japan, you can definitely buy this in any store. And number 2 is just to remember to keep everything on a very low heat. We don't want this burning. But other than those 2 little details, you should be more than fine. If you like what we do this practically every day, so leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.